So really, I didn't actually mind what I was going on. So really, I want to do a fashion show. I'm like that. You know, I get in trouble doing life a lot. It's not going to put me in trouble so much. Really, I want to do a fashion show, and I want you to be part of it. I'm going to do politics from Kuchira, I'm more with Bakashakana, really, don't forget where you started from. I know where I had one new mom, I came the designer. So we were there, mom and Besha came out. So he took me back. He never really said the politics man or the career is just something that might be there and maybe not there. So depends who can offer runtii searching kan ku noqday in waan caatay waan ka fikira waxaan dhaaray hooshayga waan la shaqeeyaa marka no 50-50 ku jira ma sha Allah gabadhan kalsoon oo intay hadii jir my manager ayaan rangalaysa Monikay store in Nairobi ayadana ka qayb qaadatay marka anigoo bisha ku jiro anahay waan buranahay isaan way la hawada qof burana ma ku qortay I'm not sure what to do. Alhamdulillah, my time came out of the show. I'm sure there's going to be people who still believe that in your fashion king and couture or I came for you guys, to be honest with you. I haven't made my collection yet. So أختي صار media يوسعتني على مكان باي حالك باي الحمد لله. وحنكون فرحنا إنت على ما حنصور بقى هالكان الموضوع ديبنا خذوا my history and where I came from and who I was really before I became an MP and Sister Diwan Somalia kind of body. Marka you guys are that's kind of محلين to support me. So I couldn't let you guys down. So let's put everything on hold. In the weekend, I'm going to go to 2020 future or international fashion or anything. I'm actually here for that. Just to see just the wonderful people who are just here for the sake of fashion. Fashion and design, clothing can actually make us forget about everything that's happening in the world. And everyone can actually express who they really are with their clothes. My dream, just like he had a dream, in town, my dad is the new kitchen and will go to Valley Abbey. So my like cartoon here. She have never came to Somalia, never seen Somalia. They say at the airport. Next year, 2020, election could be. When inshallah my dream is Gabriel Ibrahim to Somalia or something. I'm not sure. Fashion show International Somali Fashion Show, International Kandani, we want the world to be part of it. The fashion show will come to Somalia, inshallah. And I want to see everyone to be there, inshallah. And that's my dream. I don't know if it's going to be real or not, but at least fireworks can be fireworks. So anything you can make it positive. Okay, don't worry, inshallah. 2020 fashion show, Somali International Fashion Show, will be held in Somalia, inshallah. The fashion show will come to Somalia, inshallah. And I want to see everyone to be there, inshallah. And that's my dream. I don't know if it's going to be real or not, but at least fireworks can be fireworks. So anything you can make it positive. Okay, don't worry, inshallah. 2020 fashion show, Somali International Fashion Show, will be held in Somalia, inshallah. Regardless. Thank you guys.